Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Momo, Tiny, Moni, whatever you guys want to call me. I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, a little bit of advice here on my channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a sophomore in high school. I like coffee and I like to shop. So if we got stuff in common, go ahead and subscribe because you know you want to.
Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm about you.
Today will be on more of the beauty side. I will be doing some lip combos for you guys. This was actually kind of highly requested. People have asked what lip combos do I use, or like how do I do it, if that makes sense, or what do I, So I thought, why not make a video for you guys, because y'all my family, y'all my babies. I definitely gotta give y'all what y'all want. For my first lip, matter of fact, we're gonna go ahead and do the one that I do the most. So the one that I do the most is I take this, it's a dark brown kind of black lip and eyeliner, and it's from, I don't know who it's from. It's kind of wiped off, but it looks like this, and this is what I use, and I just line my lips with it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you want to do it a little darker or deeper, then you can do that and just go around and you can make it a little deeper like this, if that's what you want to do, that's what you please, but it's totally optional. And I take that, and then I take my Velvet Lippy Buttery Matte Lip Cream by Absolute New York in the color Mink Pink. And I got this from the beauty supply store, and mostly all of these products come from, no, two of these don't come from the beauty supply store, but this one, these two came from the beauty supply store. And I take this and I only put it on the bottom lip. I only put it on the bottom lip because this one is kind of a strong, harsh lip color, so I definitely put this only on the bottom. It looks like this on the bottom, and then what I do is I kind of pat it in like this, and then what I do is for the top, I take the leftover, oh sorry y'all, I take the leftover on my finger and I go on top just to give my top some color, and then I go back in with my pencil and I kind of just go over that pink a little bit too, because what I kind of like to go for is, kind of brown on the top and light on the bottom like this. And this is a really cute matte lip. I'm kind of breaking out, y'all, so I'm not about to come close to the camera, but this is a really cute matte lip if that's what you are going for. If you don't really like the glossy kind of look, you can definitely do this as a cute matte, almost kind of a natural looking kind of lip. Well, today there will be some lip gloss wasted today. Okay, for the second lip, I take this bold lip liner in the color Black Cherry, and I got this from the beauty supply store. I take my NK makeup, it's kind of washed off, but it's the lip color by NK in the color Bole. I take that over my lip, but basically I just line my lips with the Black Cherry first. Just like this. And then I go in with the Bole lip color. This one is kind of harsh too as well, so I don't kind of use a lot. I just do a little bit by a little bit. And then I go back in with the Bole lip liner to give my lip liner a little bit more pop. This is actually a really cute lip. I don't do this one every day. This is if I want to step outside the box and I use this lip. This is actually a really cute lip. Okay, so for the last and final third lip, I'm going to go back in with the dark brown, black kind of lip liner. Like this. And then I go in with the Sephora Colorful Gloss Bomb in the color Soulmate. And this is what it looks like. I just take a little bit because this is also kind of harsh. So I take a little bit as well, and I just do a little bit by a little bit. And this is also a really simple kind of lip. And if you do want to, this is optional, but you can go back in with your liner. And this just gives it a little bit more pop. But this is also like a really cute, simple kind of plain lip that you can also do every day. And it doesn't take much. Like, it's not like you're trying to do too. But you guys, that wraps up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Because if you didn't subscribe earlier, you might as well subscribe now, because you don't want to miss out on the next video that comes out. I post every Sunday, so make sure you guys turn on that post notification bell to get notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you.